Feeling the urge to make professional sounding beats but don't want to drop hundreds of dollars just to get started? Well, you're in the right place because we're diving into how to get the industry standard FL Studio completely for free. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll learn how to download it, set it up without crashing your computer, and understand exactly what you can and can't do with the free version. Let's get started. First up, we need to grab the installer. Head over to the ImageLine website. The link is in the description below. What makes this tool stand out is that unlike other software that gives you a 7-day timer, this is actually an unlimited free trial. It includes all the features of the most expensive version, the All Plugins edition. Just hit the download button for your OS, whether you're on Mac or Windows, and let it do its thing. Once that download finishes, pop open the installer. Now the setup might look a little technical with all these checkboxes, but honestly, you can mostly stick to the default settings and just keep hitting next. The software knows what it's doing. It'll install the program and the ASIO drivers you need for low latency audio. Just let it run, and in a minute or two, you'll be ready to rock. Now for the fun part, opening it up. When you first launch FL Studio, it might look a bit like a spaceship cockpit, but don't panic. You can start dragging in sounds and making patterns right away. But here is where things get tricky. Let's say you've made a beat and you go to File and hit Save. The software will let you save the project file to your computer. It feels normal, right? Well, there is a catch. And that brings us to the major limitation of the free trial. While you can save your projects, you cannot reopen them once you close the software. If you try to open that saved file, FL Studio is going to tell you that you need to buy a license to unlock it. However, you can still export your beats as MP3s or WAV files to show your friends. So it's perfect for learning the ropes or finishing a beat in one sitting, but just keep in mind, once you close that window, you can't go back and edit the project file until you upgrade. And there you have it. That is how you get up and running with FL Studio for free. It's the best way to learn music production without spending a dime. If you found this video helpful, or you want to see a tutorial on making your first beat, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. Let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues during the install. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.